Welcome back. So Jack's Food Finder, Tory Eulenfeld is here, and we're celebrating National Hamburger Month. I'm just going to tell you what happened. I said to Tory, because she is in charge of like all these different country clubs and their food and everything, I said, find national days for us and bring us the best of everything. So this is Chef Scott Alters. Okay, when you hear about what we just went through to get this presented to you, you'll understand why there's a little frazzle here. And tell us about the restaurant people know you for and also the new enterprise.
So we opened our first restaurant 9 years ago, Rue Saint Marc here in San Marco, a wonderful French restaurant. And then about 7 months ago, we opened our second restaurant, Saleya Riviera Cafe, also in San Marco. Saleya is the name of the farmers market in Nice, France. And we wanted to showcase the great cuisine of the French Riviera.
Okay, so here it is, National Burger Month. And Tory, you are saying that Chef Scott makes the best burger.
The best burger.
Why? Why do you think that's?
Well, I laughed because the first time I had it, the juice was running down my arm, and I actually licked my arm because it was it was that good.
That's saying something.
It is. It's big time.
Okay, so Chef, you normally, as a chef, would probably not want to share a recipe for a burger that has someone licking their arm.
Licking your arm is not a normal reaction to the food that we serve, but it happens apparently.
It happens apparently. Okay, so you're willing to share.
I am very willing to share.
Why? Because it's no longer on your menu?
No, when we first opened Rue Saint Marc, we did serve lunch, and this burger was on our lunch menu. We had intended to create a burger that represented French bistro cuisine.
Okay.
So we wanted kind of a messy but delicious, savory burger. Tory fell in love with it. Tory's been a friend of mine for about 10 years now. And so when she asked me to come on the show this morning and share her favorite burger, I was very willing to do so.
So what makes it so special? And I will tell you that we could not get the cooktop working, so we had to run upstairs to this kitchen that I didn't know existed after being only here for 10 years. So we were able to cook it upstairs. So why, Chef, is this so good? What did you do?
The buns we make, we put a lot of effort into getting the recipe right. It is a brioche bun, but it's not so soft that it falls apart. Then we have the meat. When we were serving this at the restaurant, we ground our own meat. For these, I went to Klein's Custom Meats here in San Marco. Best butcher shop in Jacksonville, amazing family.
Because the meat is very important if you're going to have a good burger. So Klein's. Okay.
So these are burgers from them. Their steaks are also incredible. We have a bone marrow and onion jam. That was kind of the sweet and sour part of it. Gruyere cheese. We make a roasted garlic mayonnaise and stir some whole grain mustard into it, and then some beautiful pickles on top. So it's very simple, very hedonistic. It is messy. But I think that's why people like it so much.
Let's get into it. I purposely wore white so I could ruin it.
And I wore black, so I didn't.
Okay, so we're going to get into this. And I want to tell you that we will put all of those ingredients on our website. I know they went by really fast. But Tory.
Here's the thing. It obviously looks incredibly difficult to eat because it is.
Yes.
So you have to smash it down. And you have to lean over the plate.
A National Burger Month.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Smash it down.
There it is. Okay.
You lean, and you just got to go into it.
Lean. Oh my God.
That's a tasty burger.
Oh my God, it's just, I can cry.
It is unlike anything I've ever had in my life.
It's not pretty.
It is phenomenal.
It is not something you might want to get into on a first date.
No, or wearing
But if you really just want to bite into a delicious burger.
Okay. If
they don't love you while you eat this, then you don't need to date them.
Yeah, exactly. This is absolutely delicious.
At 9:40 in the morning, really the cheeseburger is the cornerstone of any nutritious breakfast.
I agree. It's got everything you need. We're going to be right back so we can bring rants into the mix when we come back.